In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an MLB baseball team's schedule to your Google Calendar. Whether you're a diehard baseball fan or just trying to keep up with your favorite team's games, this straightforward guide will help ensure you never miss a game. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to open Google Calendar in your web browser. Simply navigate to calendar.google.com and log into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're in, your screen will display your personal calendar, but we want to integrate something new into it today. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a panel with a section labeled Other Calendars. This section is key to adding calendars of interest beyond the ones you've already subscribed to. Look for a small plus sign next to Other Calendars and go ahead and click on that. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Browse Calendars of Interest. This is where Google has gathered a variety of calendars, carefully organized, to make sure you can find the one that fits your needs. You'll see options for holidays, religious calendars, and more. But what we're after is actually found under Sports. Scroll down until you reach this section. Now expand the Sports section and you'll see an array of different sports from around the globe. What we're interested in today is baseball, specifically Major League Baseball. Click on Baseball to further expand this category, then move into the Major League Baseball section. Here you'll find a list of all MLB teams. This is the exciting part. Browse through the list until you spot your favorite team. Whether it's the classic New York Yankees, the LA Dodgers, or any other team that you passionately follow, all it takes is a simple click. Once you've located your team, check the box next to their name. This simple action is all you need to pull their schedule into your calendar. Voila! Your team's full schedule is now integrated into your own calendar. This means every game, including the dates and times, will be automatically updated and available. Whenever you check your calendar, you'll see all the upcoming games, ensuring you never miss a chance to catch them in action. Getting your MLB team's schedule integrated is not just about keeping tabs on their games, but being a part of the passion and excitement that baseball offers throughout the season. I hope this guide has been helpful and makes your baseball watching experience even better. Thanks for following along and enjoy the game.